Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Friends, in this video, we are going to learn how to find out square root of a perfect square number. Okay, so before starting the concept, let's have a quick revision of the terms we have learned so far. Students, we learned, suppose a term is written 7 raised to 5. Okay, in this term, this 7 is called as base, 5 is called as index, right? And it is pronounced as 7 raised to 5. And its meaning is nothing but 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 itself 5 times. Clear? This we learn. After that, we learn that if index is 2, 2 and 3 are special indices. Okay, suppose the index is 7 raised to 2, then it is pronounced as square of 7. Okay, what it is pronounced as? Square of 7, which is nothing but 7 multiplied by 7, which is 49. And today in this video we are going to find out its opposite term. How to find out square of 7? 7 multiplied by 7, 49. And in this video we are going to see how to find out square root of 49. See students, if 49 is square of 7, then if 7 square is equals to 49, then square root of 49, what I said, square root of 49, and it is written as this, square root of 49 equals to 7. This symbol, this sign is called as radicand sign, pronounced it as square root. Square root of 49, how you should pronounce it as? Square root of 49. It's like Amitabh is father of Abhishek and Abhishek is son of Amitabh. 49 is square of 7 and 7 is square root of 49. Clear friends? Suppose I'll say 3 square is equals to 9. Square of 3 is 9, means square root of 9 is equals to 3. Clear? And we know if how to find out square of a particular number, multiply that number with itself 2 times. For example, if square of minus 5 is equals to 25, then we can say square root of 25 is equals to minus 5. Okay, we know how to find out square of a particular number, multiply that number with itself 2 times. And in this video we are going to see the opposite action, how to find out square root of a particular number. Okay, square root of a perfect square number. For that we are going to use the factorization method. So it will be much clear with one example. So let's start with an example. Suppose we have to find out square root of 81. Question is, what is the square root of 81? Okay students, what we have to do? First of all, factorize the 81. Okay, so let's factorize it. 81 is divisible by 3. 8 plus 1, 9. So if we divide it by 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 is the remainder, 1 on it, 21, 3 7 are 21. 27 divisible by 3, 3 9s are 27. 9 is divisible by 3, 3 3s are 9. 3 is divisible by 3, 3 1s are 3. So here our factorization end. Here our factorization ended. So root 81, we can write it as into the square root 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Right? Because this multiplication is nothing but 81. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. See. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. Clear? Clear friends? So root 81 is equals to into the square root 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Done. So our first step is factorize the given perfect square number. Okay. Second step, make a group of two factors. Means this is the group of two factors, 3 and 3. This is another group of two factors. Clear? Make groups of two factors. Done. Next step, for each group take one number out of the radicand sign. Means for this group I will take this 3 out, and for this group I will take this 3 out. So 3 multiplied by 3 and perform their multiplication. So multiplication is equals to 3 3s are 9. So square root of 81 is equals to 9. Is it clear? I hope you are getting it. So what are our steps? First step, factorize the given number. Second step, that I have factorized. Second step, write the factors in the radicand sign. Okay. Third step, make group of two factors. Okay. And for each group, take one number out of the radicand sign and finally perform their multiplication. I hope it will be much clear with next example. So let's find the square root of 144. So what's our first step? First step is we have to factorize the number. So let's factorize 144. 144 is divisible by 2, right? Ending with 4. So answer is 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 144 divided by 2, 72. If we will again divide it by 2, because ending with 2, so it's divisible by 2. Let's divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6, 1. Take out this 2 on that one, 12. 2 6 are 12. 36 ending with 6. So again divisible by 2. Let's divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 6 on it, 16. 2 8s are 16. 18 divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 divisible by 3. 1. So these are the factors of 144. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36. 36 2s are 72. 72s are 144. Are you getting it? 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36. 36 2s are 72. 72s are 144. So first step of factorization is over. Second step, write the factors in radicand sign. So 144, square root of 144 is equals to, into the square root sign, these factors, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are the factors which are there in the first column. 1 2 3 4 2s into 3 into 3. Done. Then what is our next step? Next step is make a group of two similar numbers. So these two are similar, these two are similar, and these two are similar. Okay, group of two equal numbers. Okay, then what is the next step? Next step is for each group take one number out of the radicand side. So for this group, this 2 will come out of the radicand side. For this group, 1 2 will come out of the radicand side, multiplied by, for this group 1 3 will come out of the radicand side, and their multiplication is, therefore square root of 144 is equals to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So square root of 144 is 12, because square of 12 is 144. You can cross verify it. I hope you are getting it, students. So let's conclude it with one final example. Suppose we have to find out square root of 324. What we have to do? Factorize this 324. So let's factorize it. 324 is divisible by 2, right? 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 on that one, 12. 2 6s are 12. Okay, 12 minus 12, 0. So divide this 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 162. Ending with 2. So again divisible by 2. So let's divide it by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2. 81. We have factorized here. We can write directly this, right? So 81 divisible by 3. 3 27. Okay. 27 divided by 3, 9. 9 divided by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. So these are the factors of 324. So root 324 is equals to, into the radicand sign, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, right? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So first step, factorization over. Second step, write the factors in radicand side over. Third step, make group of two identical factors, okay, and take out one number for each group out of the radicand side. So 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is nothing but 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Therefore, you can say square root of 324 is equals to 18. Isn't it easy? So for that you just need to have command over factorization, and I'm very much confident you have it. So please enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it, and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.